Hey chemistry students, this tutorial is going to focus on dilution. We're going to use the equation that our first molarity times our first volume will be equal to our second molarity times our second volume. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one, what volume of 7 molar nitric acid is needed to prepare 500 milliliters of a 2 molar solution? So let's first figure out what we have and what we are looking for. Alright, so since this is up first, we're asked what volume of a 7 molar solution. So we're just going to make that our initial volume. So what volume of a 7 molar solution would we need to prepare 500 mils of a 2 molar solution? So since my volume measurement for one of my solutions is in milliliters, let's go ahead and do our other one in milliliters as well. As long as our units of volume are the same, that's fine. We weren't asked for a specific one, so we're just going to go with milliliters. So now I'm going to plug into my equation. So 7 molar times, I'm going to put V1, that's going to be my variable, is equal to 2 molar times 500 milliliters. So now I'm going to rely on my algebra skills to get this variable all by itself. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by 7 molar. These will cancel out and I'll be left with volume. My first one is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and cancel out my molarities on this side. So now I'm just going to multiply across. So 2 times 500. And I'm going to divide by 7 on the bottom. And so that means that my initial volume, 142.86 milliliters. Alright, let's go on to number 2. If you dilute 225 milliliters of a 4.5 molar solution of sodium hydroxide to 500 milliliters, what would be the concentration of the new solution? Alright, so I'm going to figure out what values I have and what do I not have yet. Alright, so I'm starting with 225 milliliters and a 4.5 molar solution. We're asked if we dilute the solution to 500 milliliters, what would be our new concentration? So now we're going to plug this into our dilution equation. So 4.5 molar times 225 milliliters will be equal to our second molarity times 500 milliliters. So now to get my variable by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 500 mils. When I do that, my milliliters and units cancel out. Now I'm going to multiply across the top, so 4.5 times 225. I'm going to divide it by what's on the bottom, 500. So my concentration of my new solution will be 2.025 molar sodium hydroxide. Alright, practice some more of this on your own. Come back to the video as many times as you need to. And as always, ask questions.